Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D object in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make 3D object in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. We select the any shape. Now I select the blocked RC, then draw this. Now we want to make this object 3D. Go to the shape effect option and choose bevel, then use any bevel, then go back again this option and click 3D rotation, then use any rotation. Now we can see we make a 3D object this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.